fairies, and welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon. I am so excited because today I have a very exciting package here that we're going to open up together. I bought the Lemonhead LA Space Paste Glitter mini case. It's got like almost every color of glitter that they make. So I've been wanting to buy some of their space paste glitters for a long time. They look so cool. I've been following them forever. And then I started watching EUPHORIA on HBO and was just like, oh my god, I love the glitter on there. If you watch my channel, you know I love glitter. I love using glitter in my makeup looks. So I went on TikTok and I looked up like the makeup they use on the show because I thought it was so cool. I found out that actually the makeup artist used a lot of the Lemonhead LA Space Paste glitters. So anyways, I splurged and I bought the case and we're gonna open it together and try out all of these glitters. They look so cool, you guys. Before we do that, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you've not already. I would love to have you join our fairy fam here. I do post a new video every Sunday and we have a lot of fun on my channel. This video, thumbs up if you enjoy it. I really appreciate it. And let's open up this box. Okay, so I have to admit I did peek when this came in the mail, but I have not opened it up. I haven't actually like dipped my finger into the glitter. I've been waiting for you guys. Here we go. I'm inside another box and this purple box was inside. Kind of a mess, I'm sorry. I should have waited to just unbox it, but I couldn't help myself. There's some like little random stuff in here I'll show you. But it did come wrapped in some nice bubble wrap. It was wrapped in some nice Lemonhead LA tissue paper. Here it is! Oh my god. I don't know if you can see, it's really cute. Like the packaging they made look like a little like cassette tape. I remember cassette tapes. I had a cassette player when I was little. It was like the first thing I ever listened to music on. Anyways, the box is really cute. It says Space Case Professional Makeup Palette. And let's open it up. It looks like it's taped. Grab a scissor. I really hope that I like these because it was expensive. I think it was like $125 for this case. It's a lot of money to spend on glitter. I do acknowledge that. Ooh, so it's got like a really cool holographic sticker on the back. Actually, no, that's the lid. I'm sorry, that's the lid. And then you can see all of the glitters in here. It kind of has like a, reminds me of like a tackle box opener. So let's see, how do you open this? Oh my gosh. Wow. So it's literally like different paste just in these little containers. Looks so cool. I cannot wait to try these. I can't believe I own this. I'm so excited. It has like a, it doesn't smell bad. It actually smells kind of good. It smells like lemon. Is that why it's called Lemonhead? I'm gonna look up right now like the price for the individual. So one individual, okay, I don't want to subscribe. Do you hate when sites are just like, subscribe, please subscribe? It's like, no, I'm good. Like, I'm just trying to look at something. So an individual space paste is $22. And so in the case, you get 16 different colors. So let's say 22 times 16. If you paid for individually every single of these, it would be $352. So you are getting a better deal on the case for the $125. This looks so cool, you guys. I cannot wait. I already did my base makeup, so that's already taken care of, so we can kind of just like add the glitter on. I have some inspo pics I found last night that I want to try to recreate, and then after that I will swatch all of the colors for you so you can see them. First, there was like a couple other things they sent over. There's like a little sticker that tells you all of the shades on it. I love that. I guess you'd put that on the back maybe. I'm wondering, does the sticker match like this way or does it match if you put it on the back, like to line up that way? I'm not really sure. I have to kind of figure that out because I want to let you guys know the correct shades. They sent a little holographic sticker. Cute. What the heck is this? Little keychain flashlight? Little blue laser thing. Okay, random but cute, thank you. And you do get a little card in here that has instructions on a certain technique you can do here. Okay, cool. I don't think that's exactly what I want to do today, but let's get rid of that. I don't know what this is. They sent over this like kind of clear gel container. I didn't really see any instructions for what this is. This smells like lemons too. I hope that this isn't what you need to make it stick, because there's like definitely not enough of this for that. Thought that you just put it like right on. Let me look. It's free artisan glitter concentrates. Cult favorite glitters are handcrafted in small batches by artists. I don't know what this is, and I don't know why they sent this. I kind of wish they would have included some kind of like instruction on what this was, but I'm really not sure. Had some pictures on Pinterest I found. This is the first one I found. I think this is actually Jules from the show, and I thought this was really pretty. Kind of did almost like a fairy wing on the side. So let me clip my hair back. I need to get some clips. You know what, I'm noticing in the picture, I should have looked at it before I did my makeup, that there's like a reddish like pink down here, which I might just like add that on because I really didn't do that. Kind of like a green and mint look with the Kaleidos Flower Punk, but I think I'll get some blush and add some pink there like what they did. All right, let's add a little more. Really kind of cute. That's actually really cute. I would have never thought to do that, but it's pretty. This kind of looks like I got a weird sunburn or something. I guess on my inspiration, they kind of use like a gold, and there's not really a gold in here. We'll make it work. There's definitely a lot of like lighter white shades in here. I think I want to try one of those. So let's do the pink. I believe this one is called Really Weird is the pink. I checked on the website. So these do match looking straight down like that, it looks like. So the pink is the Holly Weird. I'm just dipping my finger in. It feels really wet. You can see it right there. Let's see. Whoa. That went on really easy. I'm gonna add a little more. To be careful because you can kind of like put it on, and then if you tap it too much, it can take it back off. Do you see that? It's so cute. Mine doesn't look as good as the picture, but that's okay. That is some intense glitter. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side really quick and then I'll be back. All right, by the time I did this side seems to have already dried down, and it dried really nicely. I really liked the way it went on. It was just like really easy. I just took my finger and put it on. Does it look as good as my inspo? Probably not. I think that was like a different, like thicker glitter. It does kind of give like a nice little kind of like fairy wing effect on both sides. That's so pretty. I love it. Just like turn this side and it's like pow. Let's try a different one. Other inspiration was this picture right here. It kind of looked like glitter freckles, which I wanted to try. At the end of this, I'm gonna be looking crazy, just like don't mind. Okay, let's see what would be a good one for the freckles. I'm gonna try this one right here. So it's above the green. White Rabbit, love that name. So mushy. It feels like this like mushy jello stuff. So let's try. Oh. Oh my god. That is stunning. I'm just gonna do a little bit up over my nose. I'm obsessed. It is blending into the fairy wing. This one does have like a little bigger chunks in it than the pink one did, which I do like. It's layering over my makeup just fine. I had like already put setting spray and everything on. I hope that this is picking up on the camera the way that it looks in real life. This looks amazing. If you were going to a festival or something, this would be your ticket to looking So cool. Okay, what do we think about the glitter freckles? I think that is so cute. I love glitter. I now have in my possession just like so much glitter. I'm gonna try one more on my eyelids though, just to test one more. I might try this one up here. It's kind of like a clear with like a yellow shift. It's like it is called Houdini. Let's put a little bit of that on the eyelids. See how it layers over eyeshadow. That is not what I thought it looked like in the pan. It's actually got like an iridescent like purple. You guys can see that. Let's do a little bit on the other eye. That one is a little different. Like it seems like the glitter is like more spaced out in like smaller pieces, which is really pretty. It's layering really well on top of my eyeshadow. I'm really impressed by that. It really doesn't feel thick or uncomfortable. Like I can definitely feel that there's like a paste on my eyelid. It's tightening as it dries, but it's not like overly heavy and extremely uncomfortable to me. But you can definitely feel something is on your skin and eyes because it kind of gives like a little tightness, almost like a glue feeling or something like that, but it's definitely not like extremely uncomfortable or anything at all. We are just sparkling all over. This is so much fun. I love it. I just like showed up to work tomorrow like this. Like, hi everybody. Everything's normal. Okay, let's take these back out. Let's do some swatches. I'm gonna swatch all of these and let's check it out. All right, this one is Dark Angel. Good news, it does come off really easy with a makeup wipe. I have my lights off because I think it works better with it off. Okay, here we have Houdini. That's the one I put on my eyelids. This one is Phantom. Night Moves right here. Adult Film. Mirage. Sunset Strip. Cielo. Sugarfish. Happy Ending. Lady Mercury. White Rabbit. Electric Days. Commando. Holly Weird. Palms. Okay, after doing those swatches, I think there will literally be glitter in my studio for the rest of time. It's a little messy, I'm not gonna lie. I hope that they came through okay. It was kind of hard to capture the glitter on camera. Trust me, they were all beautiful, and their website has really good swatches too if you're interested in buying any for yourself. I'll try to update the description box, let you know like how they actually last throughout the day. I'll try to wear some to work or like just around and see how it goes. It's kind of late at night right now, so I'll probably be taking these off pretty soon. Overall, I am so impressed with these glitters. These are the coolest, nicest glitters I've ever tried in my life. They're definitely like Hollywood and costume level quality. Definitely feel like a Euphoria character right now, which I wouldn't trade lives with any of them though, I'll just be honest. Their lives are messed up. 10 out of 10 so far. I am so impressed. I'm really happy that I just went ahead and purchased this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. I had so much fun playing with glitter as always. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I do post a new video every single Sunday. We have so much fun over here on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. I do really appreciate it. And until next week, please remember that you are special, beautiful, and magical, and I love you so much. Bye!